regular channels here. How's everybody doing on this Sunday, June 14th, 2026? We have a live operation weather we're gonna be doing right now in a stormy way though too. So everyone gets their notifications and watch this live in real time. This is at 2:01 p.m. Eastern Time in the U.S. This is live right now. It's tracking on some severe thunderstorms today. Yep. Okay. Alright, we got a live operation weather we gotta do right here today. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for north central Ohio, northeast and northwest Ohio counties, and for Erie and Crawford counties of Pennsylvania until 9 o'clock this evening. Here's the following locations for Ohio, here's the following counties they're calling for this severe thunderstorm watches in Ohio. Let's start with North Central for Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Ahern, Knox, Lorraine, Marion, Morrow, Richland, Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Geneva Holmes, Lake Mahoning, Medina, Portridge, Stark, Summit, Trumbo, and Wayne. For Northwest Ohio, Hancock, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, Wake, Wyandotte. And as I said, it's for Erie and Crawford counties here in Pennsylvania. So here's the locations. Includes for this severe thunderstorm watch of it's Akron, Alliance, Ashland, Ashtabula, Aurora, Austintown, Avon Lake, Brainbridge, Belleville, Boardman, Bowling Green, Burnswick, Bucyrus, Burton, Canton, Carnington, Cary, Chardon, Chesterland, Cleveland, Clyde, Conneaut, Crestline, East Lake, Elmira, Erie, Finland, Fostoria, Vermont, Galion, Geneva, Huron, Kent, Killbuck, Lorraine, Mansfield, Moran, Massillon, Meadville, Medina, Manor, Middlefield, Millersburg, Mont Gield or Geed, or wherever that is. Montverin, Niles, North Ridgeville, Norwalk, Oak Harbor, Orville, Painville, Perrysburg, Port Clinton, Raviana, Redmond, Sandusky, Titusville, Ness, Streetboro, South Russell, Tappan, Torland, Upper Sandusky, Wadsworth, Warren, Wickliffe, Willard, Wallerby, Wallerwick, Worcester, and Youngstown. Again, this is a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 9 o'clock this evening on this Sunday, June 14th, 2026, from the Jeffries regular channel page on YouTube. Yeah, this is the second this is a second straight weekend we're getting an Operation Weather. We just had some storms. We had an Operation Weather last Saturday with severe thunderstorm watches, warnings, or statements, and also includes flooding. There we go. Storms coming in today. Yep, we have some severe thunderstorms. Possibly here, we might gonna be on there a while, because like I said, we might have some severe thunderstorm. We might have a severe thunderstorm warnings, and possibly we might have some severe thunderstorm statements in there too, and also potential for flooding. Because it's also call for heavy rain at times, not just thunder and all this. I should have one more camera version left to come tonight on the Train Expert. Or I should say, we do have a camera version tonight on the Train Expert channel. It's the OC&T very short grain hopper train heading south at the freight yard in Titusville. That's all it's gonna be. And then tomorrow, excuse me, and then I do have a premiere tomorrow night at 7:30 on the Train Expert channel. It's the OC&T very short grain hopper train heading north and south at the freight yard. And this is also be the first of two premieres this coming week here on the Train Expert channel, of course, because I do have a premiere Friday night at 8 o'clock or 7:30. Following that, we have the live streams at 8 o'clock. So, hello Toshiba Breckner, welcome to the live stream. Yeah, we're just tracking on some storms. We're just coming on because we have some severe weather coming in today. This is also be this is also gonna be 2 weeks in a row under severe weather. We had there was a severe there was a we had severe thunderstorm watches, statements, and there was also they did have some flooding, but they didn't call for no severe thunderstorm warnings, just the watches and the statements. And we did have a flood advisory came in as well. So we're going to be doing a lot of Operation Weathers on storms and flooding and all this. I just got out of the Eugene's live stream just a moment ago. He had to do a cooking stream today. I started YouTube from February 17th, 2014. That's good. I started YouTube in 2021. We had the Train Expert channel first, and then we had this, and then 1 month later we got this channel. That's why we have 2 channels. One for rail fanning, and one we do the weather updates and parades and holidays and all this as well. And we also do our anniversary specials, and sometimes we do a subscriber special on that. We just did a 900 subscriber special a week ago today on the Train Expert channel. This is a second straight weekend we're streaming on this. Yep, we did an Operation Weather last Saturday, and then right here today. What? No, I'm live on regular. Because there's a storm coming in. No, I'm not. Mom was thinking her friend was coming, and the answer was no. We're not gonna get to that. I'm not gonna get to that till later. No, I'm home already. Yeah. There will be no live stream. There will be no live stream tonight on the Train Expert channel, but there will be tomorrow at 8 o'clock on the Train Expert channels for Thursday. I beg your pardon, for Tuesday's rail fanning day, right afternoon rail fanning day it is, right after the 7:30 premiere. There's a possible here I might come back on here later if they decided to cancel the watch or anything, but I almost did a weather update the other day on like what day was it, Thursday? Yeah, almost. Yeah, it was Thursday almost. I was supposed to go to both channels that day, but I didn't get that far though. I got to check on how many. I want to check and see how many subscribers we have on regular. I know I'm already up to 915 on the Train Experts channel, but okay, we're up to 173. It's good. Okay, I like it. Yeah, I need to get 200 subscribers on right here on regular. And as what Ollie Mainstein said the other day, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of summer, but I don't think it's not going to happen. And also, with this severe weather threat, means that not only there's a severe thunderstorm watch, but there's also the possible risk for severe weather. So it's called for wind threat number 3 and a number 1 tornado threat, as well as the hail threat. Like the previous severe thunderstorm update didn't call for anything tornadoes or anything. So as to start the thunderstorm forecast. No. We're going to see if there's another Operation Weather pops up. If not, we'll just read the weather. It was pretty good, though. So, I haven't seen anything at the moment, though. Yeah, like last week, not only I was stormed out, but my other friend, Corey, um, was stormed out too, and he also put the video up last week, though. Let's see what the Weather Channel thing has on there. Say anything about. It's also called for strong to severe thunderstorms as well. I think it's supposed to get scattered to begin with, and then later they're supposed to call, and then the strong thunderstorms are gonna be likely. Oh, it's supposed to get heavier at times first, and then later. Yeah. Thanks for the third like. There's one of my live streams. That was that thing popped up. That's the first of 3 or 2 live streams on a Thursday on the Train Expert channel. Yeah, sorry about the connect. That's sometimes the phone or the connection. Yeah, the phone thing goes like this too. Uh, uh, what time you want to plan on read the weather? Around 3 o'clock? Yeah. Yeah, maybe we'll read the weather here in a little bit. We'll see if my original guys from the Train Expert channel come on regular. Either it's a Jeremy or an Ollie or I know Terry and Paul can't be with this because they're not. We're waiting for the storms. They're what? No, I'm just waiting for see if we have see if there's another Operation Weather supposed to come in. I think most likely we're not going to see any more Operation Weathers, especially like after 3 o'clock. So we'll keep posted here in case if Titus falls under a severe thunderstorm warning or severe thunderstorm statement, though. Or unless there's any flooding on here, we'll break it in as well.
Oh.
No. What time's the severe thunderstorm watch end? At 9 o'clock, right? Yep, 9 o'clock tonight, or unless it might end before that. We'll give it another few more minutes here, and if there's not an operation, weather comes in by 3, I'm going to read the weather forecasts here. And every city's going to read the weather forecast for Tides 1 to city, as well as the Erie and the Crawford County weathers as well. Yeah. It's already storming out there in Erie. Yep.
No.
I don't think, yeah, Crawford's not going to get that until like after 3. Strong thunderstorm. Alright, I think I'm about gonna get ready and read the weather forecast. I think we're about ready to read the weather forecasts for Tides 1 the city, as well as the Erie and the Crawford County weather. We're just, since I don't see any updates on there at the moment. So let's go ahead and read the let's read the forecasts. I'm just only gonna do just today and probably tomorrow's forecast as well, as all we're gonna be reading today as well. So we'll just read the today and we're gonna read the forecasts for today, tonight, and tomorrow, and through today through tomorrow night though. So here's the forecasts for today for Titusville, or Oil Creek Township is where we go by. They're saying strong to severe thunderstorms likely. Storms could contain damaging winds. High 73. Chance of rain 100%. 1 to 2 inches of rain expecting. Well, yes, as well as the call for at least 2 inches of rain today. Oh, tonight they're saying mostly cloudy, low 50. And tomorrow, I forgot tomorrow. Yeah, for Titusville. Hang on, don't do Meadville yet though. Okay. Sorry. I don't know what I was doing. Alright, I want the forecast for tomorrow for... Sorry, I don't know what I was doing. So here's the forecast for tomorrow night. They're saying cloudy early, then partial clearing, high 63. I didn't think that's supposed to get all this humid tomorrow. I know that, so. And then tomorrow night, a few clouds, low 48. Now here's the, all right, now we'll go to the Meadville forecast. Here's the forecast for today. They're saying strong to severe thunderstorms. Storms could contain damaging winds. High 77. Chance of rain 100%. Tonight they're saying mostly cloudy with light rain early. Low 52. Chance of rain 80%. For Monday, I'm saying cloudy skies early, then partly cloudy for the afternoon. High 65 and a low of 51, also under partly cloudy skies. And then for Linesville, here's the forecast for tonight. They're saying showers and thunder showers likely. Storms could contain damaging winds. High 80. Chance of rain 100%. Tonight, if I can get on there we go. Tonight, becoming partly cloudy after some rain, after some evening rain. High 52, chance of rain 80%. And then for Monday, cloudy skies early, then partly cloudy later in the day. High 66, and then Monday night a few clouds. High or low 51. And then for Erie, here's the forecast for today. They're saying variably clouds with strong to severe thunderstorms. Storms could contain damaging winds. High 70. Chance of rain 100%. Tonight, cloudy with periods of rain early. Low 54. Chance of rain 90%. Monday, cloudy early, then partial clearing. High 67. And then Monday night, partly cloudy. Low 57.
No.
And finally, here's the forecast for Northeast tonight. They're saying variably cloudy with strong to severe thunderstorms. Storms could contain damaging winds. High 78. Chance of rain 100%. 1 to 2 inches of rain expecting. And then tonight they're saying rain, cloudy with rain ending early. Low 52. Chance of rain 100%. And then Monday, cloudy early, then partly cloudy later. High 65. And then finally Monday night, a few clouds, low 56, and that's it. Yeah, it's supposed to call for not just strong thunderstorms, but also we mentioned about an inch or two of rain is supposed to be expecting later in the day as well. Yeah.
Well,
And all this though. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking since it approaches the 1 hour mark, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna end this thing, and then we'll come back on if there's another Operation Weather. Either it's a severe thunderstorm warning or a severe thunderstorm statement, or probably flooding and all this. Yeah.
uh, oh,
Yeah, I'm thinking since it approaches the 1 hour mark, I'm going to end the live stream and take a break for a little bit and see if there's another Operation Weather comes in, if it's a statement or a warning pops up on severe thunderstorms. We'll get back on here, as well as the flooding. Yeah, I don't think there's another Operation Weather come on at the moment, so we can go ahead and end this thing. Okay. So. Already, guys. I don't think there's another Operation Weather right now, and I don't think anybody else is gonna come on right now. So that's gonna be it for this live stream for now for Jeffrey's regular channels. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a break right here, and we're gonna be back on. If there's an Operation Weather comes on for a severe thunderstorm watch or warning. I mean, we'll be back on if there's an Operation Weather of a severe thunderstorm warning or statement come in, or potential for flooding and all this. If not, we're gonna be on tomorrow at 8 o'clock on the Train Expert channel for Tuesday's Rail Fanning Day. By the way, we have a severe, and also, again, we have a, before we end the live stream, before we end the live stream, are we coming back on if there's a storm coming in? Yes. If there's an Operation Weather on a severe thunderstorm statement or warning, we'll come back on here, and also for flooding as well. So. Alright, I think that's gonna be all for this live stream for Jeffrey's regular channels on YouTube. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Erie and Crawford counties of Pennsylvania, as well as 28 counties in Ohio. Somebody's coming on here. Honori. Oh, hello, Honori. Welcome to the live stream. I was about getting ready to end it here. I will, though. I'm not. I was thinking before that I was thinking there's a couple more coming on here as we're getting ready to end it, though. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, well, stay safe here. And we're going to be back on, as I said, if there's another Operation Weather on severe thunderstorm warning or statement, we'll get back on here, and potential for flooding and all this as well. Otherwise, we're going to be on tomorrow. Otherwise, we might have to come back on later if they cancel the severe thunderstorm watch, if we can, though. So. Alrighty, guys, I think that's gonna be all for this live stream for tonight for Jeffrey's regular, or today for Jeffrey's regular channels on YouTube. Again, we have a thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channels live weather update on YouTube. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Erie and Crawford counties of Pennsylvania, as well as 28 counties in Ohio until 9 o'clock this evening. It's supposed to call for about a wind threat number 3 on Crawford, and wind threat 2 from Erie County, around Erie counties, and then number 1 threats on the number 1 threats on tornado and the hail and all this. And it's also supposed to call for at least about a couple of inches of rain as well, too. So thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channels live weather updates on YouTube, and We'll be back on tonight, or we'll be back on if there's another operation weather, if there's on a severe thunderstorm warning or statement, or if there's a potential for flooding, we'll get back on here. If not, we're going to be on tomorrow at 8 o'clock on the Train Expert channel for Tuesday's Rail Finding Day, right after the 7:30 premiere. Talk to you then.